Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to check exchange rate types, translation ratios and enter exchange rates. Assign exchange rates to document types. We can see here SAP predefined exchange rate types. B indicate bank selling rate. G indicate bank buying rate. M indicate bank average rate. We can use this predefined exchange rates or we can create our own rates. For create exchange rate type T code is OB07. Click on New Entry. In exchange rate type field give your own rate type. Here I am giving TIMG for bank buying rate. For bank selling rate I am giving TIMB. For bank average rate I am giving TIMM. Fill the details of exchange rate types and usage text. Click the tick mark of average rate. Click on Save. Next, define translation ratios for currency translation. T code is OBBS. Click on Yes. Click on New Entry. Give exchange rate type for bank buying. Here I am taking currency from USD to INR. Give valid date to effect. Give from ratio and to ratio 1:1. Next, GBP to INR for bank buying rate. Here I am taking GBP to INR. Give valid date to effect. Give from ratio and to ratio 1:1. Just follow like this for bank selling rates and bank average rates. Click Enter and click on Save. Next, enter exchange rates. T code is OB08. Click on New Entry. Give bank buying rate and valid date to effect. Every time entering the date it's taking time. So I am copy and paste it. For buying rate USD. Rate I am taking 81. Local currency INR. Select USD for selling rate. For selling I am taking 83. Select local currency INR. Next bank average rate. Select USD. For average rate I am taking 82. Select local currency INR. Next select bank buying rate for GBP. Select GBP. For buying rate I am taking 101. Select local currency INR. Next select bank selling rate. Select GBP. For selling I am taking 103. Select local currency INR. Next select average rate for GBP. Select GBP. For average rate I am taking 102. Select local currency INR. Click Enter and click on Save. We can see here different rates and different currencies. We will use this rates in different transaction types. For example, the GL document is converted using bank average rates. Vendor invoices is converted bank selling rates. Customer invoices is converted using bank buying rates. Bank buying rate. This rate is used for when the bank is buying from company. For example, exports. Bank selling rate. This rate is used for when the bank is selling to company. For example, imports. Average rate. This is average exchange rate. Next assign exchange rates to document types. T code is OBA7. Click on Position. Select document type SA. Give the exchange rate type in exchange rate type for foreign currency documents. Click on Save. Next class we will post the documents using foreign currency rates. In this class we learnt foreign currency configuration. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.